As I see that girl don't ripe for. The girl that don't mature well.
I'm gonna go call her.
Yes. I'm going to be now.
Please step aside.
Move now.
I said, step aside. I'm going home.
I said, stop something. They worry you. They mad.
I said, please step aside. I'm going home. I want to go somewhere. I'm going somewhere.
Is she proving stubborn?
She say we come here to clear. You don't like the first. I know by the grace.
Please, I'm going somewhere.
Shut up your mouth. Who are you? In fact, for disrespecting us, this afternoon, we are going to chop you turn by turn. Guys!
Last command.
Hey!
Guy. No, but where this girl follow? Hey!
Guys, this little girl cannot run away from us.
Never. We must look for her and teach her the lessons of her life. She must collect woto from us. That one na shege banza.
Yes. I don't think she has gone far. She must be hiding somewhere around. Let us look for her in this bush.
That will be a waste of time. I'm sure she's on her way to their house. We must have to follow her up before she gets home. Let's go.
Who cares if she gets home? Who will even protect her from us? Is it the old grandmother? Guys, we have to leave here and search for her.
Guys! Let us search this bush first.
Stop talking nonsense. This girl is on her way to her house. We have to follow her up so that she can't get home before us. Guys, stop talking nonsense. You can go ahead and search for her if that is what you want. Ifeanyi, let's go.
I think he's right. You get point.
What is it?
Where is your daughter?
What is it?
Call her out here now!
If you don't leave my house now, I'll call the vigilante boys for you.
This man,
Vigilante boys.
see this man. What are you waiting for? Just at the mention of our names, they will run.
Old woman, if you don't leave our way, we will force you to do so.
You want to talk to an old woman like me?
Because I call you old woman, Abi. You think say you don't old?
Ifeanyi,
try me.
take this woman out of my way. Today, I must chop her daughter in her house and nothing will stop me. Take her away.
If you touch me, I'm not going to
Forget this your bad power you tie though. This I don't fit push you down. Me.
Try me.
Now me be broom, aka Ifeanyi, la.
Try me.
Madam, go back.
Come! Idiot! Come! You people don't want to leave. What is it now? They're mad! You people are very stupid! Now come! I'll slap you! Dear Grace! Stupid fools! Come on! Come! Don't make me come near you! Don't make me come near you! Stupid idiots! Out! You're mad! Diala! Diala! Leave them! Putaba, don't mind them. Diala! Yes! And then, I will not do anything. I want respect. Sorry. You have respect. Thank God. Sorry, Go. Let's go inside. Let's go.
Hey. Guys, fuck up. Why do we even run away from that little rat? just because she was holding a machete.
What are you even saying? That you almost cut my hand.
Don't mind Ifeanyi. I could see the courage in her eyes. She was ready to cut anybody that stands on her way.
What do we do now?
Nothing for now. We have to wait for another opportunity.
Another opportunity?
Yes.
We better go back to that house and finish that girl with that useless old mother.
You see what Obinna said now? That is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm out of here.
You both are coward, idiot, bastard.
Here you are. You are wrong forever.
Don't come close to me, else I'll cut you to pieces.
You never see something. Now we get this village.
Action girl. You see her life, see where it don't end up. You see Tunde, no be Yen Tunde, Ayen Tunde, no be Moronto. You see today, we go chop you like banana.
Stay away from me. Stay away from me now.
Nobody will rescue you today.
Mama! Mama!
What is it? What is it?
It's a dream. It's a dream. Mama, it's Emeka and his friends. They wanted to rape me in my dream.
Just don't worry. Because of the encounter with them yesterday.
No, Mama, it's not true. It's not true. I'm sure they're planning something evil. Yes. Mama, we need to report them to the police.
Eh?
Yes, the police station.
Police?
Yes.
Those boys are not afraid of the police. Just forget about them and avoid them. You know, bro? Let's go. Well, let's go back to sleep. It's okay. Nobody's coming. Let's go back to sleep. Let's go. Let's go. Move on. Lie down. Move on. Go back to sleep.
Who be that now? Who be that this early morning? This early morning wake up create by himself. What is this now? Huh? Yes? Yes?
Came to see Charles. Open the door.
This early morning? Came to see that this early morning?
What do you mean? Eh? Is this your house?
Anybody?
I beg, get out! Is this your house? Look at you! Just a common gate man.
You push
Don't
me.
try that again.
You push me.
If you block me again, I will do that 1,000,000 times. To you stupid gate man. Come on, get out!
Come, say. Go, not try me, oh. No, just try him. No, just see. Look at this. Go. Who are you, idiot? They don't cheat. You got the man that push me, say you treat me. Don't that. See, if you ever try this nonsense again, try for where there. I go tell you, say I am not a common gate man. Idiot. Can you imagine? This early morning, but I never even. Sorry. Now simple come on. Can you imagine? See, treat me, treat who? Treat people what our Ghana.
It's alright, we'll see you at the office then.
Hey, baby.
I'll call you back.
How are you?
Hi. What are you doing here, Rita?
I came to see you. You and I have not seen for the past 5 months. And this is how you welcome me.
Oh, that's because we are done. Alright? I moved on.
You must be joking. How? I traveled, I just returned. Last night and I came to see you and you're telling me this?
Yeah. We're done.
And who is this?
She's my wife. We got married last month.
You must be joking. You didn't just say that to me.
I'm not joking, Rita. Everything we had in the past is in the past now. Advise you move on. As a matter of fact, you're not supposed to be here, so please advise you leave now.
I see. And you think it's easy for you to tell me to leave your house? Just like that? After you've used me, you think you can dish me for her?
I never promised you marriage. Alright? We were just friends. Or better still, bedmates.
Did you just say what you just said?
Oh yes, I just said it.
You mean...
Leave my house. Now.
So we've been fooling ourselves. Like?
I said leave my house, please. Now.
Charles. I'll come back for you.
Please leave.
I'll come back for you.
What nonsense? What do you want, bitch? Go! Nobody know if I shot me for this house before. You got me this idiot. No, don't worry. I go want a gun. Make you help me one idiot. Idiot, you cheat. Ah, they everything go treat me. They treat me and they sit. Idiot. Ah, for where I be chief security. For where we say I be chairman.
Because I won't let another woman take my place. I will definitely come back for you.
Eh? Definitely come. Come. Who be you? Say you can definitely come back from our gun. You know what?
What did you just say?
Say you poor girl for.
Are you stupid?
Come. Who are you? You know what? Come. Listen, you know the fear? Is this a rubber? No, smell am. Smell this thing. Whoa. Damn, what catch?
You think I'm scared of that nonsense you're carrying? I'll just beat you down.
Oh God! Stop. You know what?
Hey, God.
So, because say my ancestors tell me make I know the fight to my father.
Yeah.
Father, sir.
Send that woman out of this house and never let her in here again.
Consider it. Hey, consider it, sir. You hear me? You hear me?
You touch me, I'll beat you blue black.
You're
very stupid.
Oh God!
Tell your God that I will be back.
50 years.
And when I come back, this house will not condemn me.
If you try
watch me. If indeed you are a man, use this cutlass.
My friend,
you Onyala.
Come on, sister, to idiot. Easy. No, try it. You did that before. No, try it. Onyala. Sissy. Oh, you are lucky. You just say this idiot na man. Why I fall? I'm just sharing nonsense with you.
Mate.
Come, man. Come.
I'll kill you.
If I come back, don't get
You
out.
are very stupid. You are just lucky that you blocked me.
Come out, come now.
Get in. What are you doing out here?
What did you say is happening? You dropped out of school?
Yes, I dropped out of school.
Why?
Because we didn't have enough money to pay.
Anyway, let me take you home. Let's go home first.
No, don't worry now. Don't worry. I'll just go. Let's use my leg.
No. I need you to be here. I'll take you home, okay?
Don't worry. There's no. Don't worry.
And how are you?
Mama, I'm not fine. Please, what is Cheta doing on the road when she should be in school?
Hi.
Wham.
No. Cheta has...
Has what? Cheta has... Mama Cheta told me that she's been out of... Mama Cheta told me that she's been out of school for 3 months now.
What happened is things have been very, very hard for us. Even to afford 1 square meal, we can't afford it. So I told her to stop school for now.
Mama, but that is not a good reason now. It's not enough. Look at Cheta. Beautiful and very intelligent. She's supposed to be in school.
No, we have no help in hand. I don't know what to do.
Okay, I'm going to take Cheta to the city. And enroll her in a very good school.
Hey! Hey! Mira! Dalu song, mom. Dalu song. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you.
And,
hey!
Okay. Mama. This should be like 20,000 naira. Just take it and buy anything you want.
For us, all of them?
Mama, it's for you.
Hey! I'll get it. I'll get it. Hey! God bless you.
Bless you.
God
too.
bless you. Hey!
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you very much.
Teta, just get your things ready, okay? We'll be leaving by weekend.
Yeah, she'll be ready. She'll be ready. She'll be ready.
I'm glad I saw you people. Let me go see my mom.
Yeah,
she will hear.
Greet her for me.
Oh, she will hear.
Hey,
okay.
Dalu song. Bye bye. Smile now. Hey. Okay.
Mama, I don't want to go to the city.
Why?
I don't want to leave you here all alone in this village. I'd rather stay and be doing my fufu business.
No. I'll be fine. I can manage. I can take care of myself. Huh? Remember your dream of becoming a medical doctor? Now the opportunity has come. Mirabel has promised to send you back to school. Please, I want you to achieve that dream. You have to go to the city.
I know, Mama. I don't know. I'm having this strange feeling about not going to the city. I don't want to go to the city, Mama.
Not to worry, I know what the problem is. You are afraid of changing environment. But at least you'll be far from all these bad boys that molest young girls in this village. No, you will go to the city. I want you to achieve your dreams. I want you to be a better person. I want you to have a bright future. Please. Please. Let's go back to sleep, bro.
told your mother that you were not going to come to the city with me, right?
No, I did not say anything.
You didn't say anything?
Yes.
You will get down from my car this minute.
Eh? Auntie?
I said get down from my car. Really?
Auntie, I did not say anything. Auntie!
Get down from my car! You didn't mean it. I am going to kill you today and feed your carcass to the birds. I'm sorry. What are you sorry for? Where is she running to? I'm going to kill you today. Are you...
Auntie, I'm sorry. Auntie, leave me alone. Mama!
What is it? What is it?
It's Richard. Mama, she wanted to kill me. Auntie Mirabel, she said she will kill me if I don't go with her to the city. Mama, she wanted to kill me, Mama. She really did. Mama, I'm serious.
It's okay, don't worry. The forces in your father's land do not want you to go to the city and accomplish your dream, but you will go there and accomplish your dream. Eh? Mirabel is a good person and surely she can never hurt you. Eh?
Mama, are you sure?
Very sure. She's a good person. Eh?
Okay.
So, Mama, I'm taking Cheta to the city.
Oriako's granddaughter.
Yes. It's just that when I saw her hawking, I didn't like it. It was not good. It wasn't a good sight. Mama, Cheta is brilliant. She is good. And when I asked her about school, she said she stopped school months ago. Mama, let me just take her to the city. In my heart, I will feel good that I did that.
Mama, if you brought them on, it is a very nice suggestion. But the problem here is, your husband. Is your husband aware that you are going to come back with her?
But I intend telling him when we get back to the city.
What about Cheta herself? Did she accept to go with you? Because I know she's too attached to her grandma.
Mama, Cheta has no option. It's for her own good. It's for her good.
You still going back tomorrow? How can we get her see all those my dry fish and the orange and gather them for you?
Mama, I'll leave tomorrow morning. No problem. Thank you. Mama, you worry yourself too much. Cheta is no longer a child.
She's my baby. She's my baby. Please take good care of her.
Oh, Mama, I don't want to leave you here alone.
I can manage. I can manage. I want you to go to the city and go back to school. You can end here with me.
You'll be fine. I'll take care of you, okay?
Take care of you.
Okay, Mama. Here. Okay. Oh.
Mama, this, please, have this while, just this morning. Take care of yourself.
Hey!
You're feeding.
Papa?
Yes.
Hey!
Mama, take.
Mirabel, God bless you.
Bless you too.
God bless you.
Well, let me take this while you two.
I don't want to go. Go to the city. Go to the city, have a better life. You want to end up here with me? How will you go back to school? How will you go back to school? You want to end here? No, now I can manage. I will always call you. You go. I miss you more. Yeah. It's okay. Be a good girl when you get there. I'll manage. I'll manage. It's okay. It's okay. I always pray for you. I always remember your prayers. I'll pray for you. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Thank you. You'll be fine. You know?
Rita, get out of my office now.
Why are you talking to me like that? Why are you treating me like a nobody child? It's me.
Whatever we had in the past is over now. We're done. So get out of my office now.
Charles, please don't do this. We can still be good friends even though you're married. I don't have any other man in my life. You can't do this to me.
What the hell are you talking about? I said we are done. Get that into your skull. What's your problem? Now get out of my office before I call the police.
Go ahead and call them. Yes, go ahead and call them. Oh, your phone is ringing. She's calling. Go ahead and pick it.
Get out of my office now. I will not warn you again. Get out now.
I'll leave, but I'll be back.
Why did you let her into my office without informing me first?
I'm sorry, sir. I went out to print some documents across the road. Our printer just developed some faults, but I've called the engineer to come fix it. I'm sorry.
I do not want to ever see that woman in this office again.
Okay, sir.
Go. So why didn't you inform me first before doing it? I thought we agreed that there would be no servants in this house.
Baby, she's not a servant. She's my cousin and she needs my help.
Cousin or no cousin? Why didn't you tell me first?
Because I did not know you were going to kick against it. I'm sorry. I felt like, you won't object to it. She's my cousin and she needs my help. When I tell you, you'll be fine.
It's alright. Fine. Do as it pleases you. But don't come complaining tomorrow.
I'm sorry.
Like I said, it's fine. But just don't come complaining tomorrow about her.
I'm not going to complain. She's from a good home. She's a good girl. Her mother is good.
Please, enough of this topic, okay? I'm famished. I need something to eat right away.
Okay. Don't you think you should bathe first?
Just set it down and I'll eat and we'll bathe, okay? Please. Good.
Let's give me.
I give you 5.
Thank you. Sincerely, let me tell you, it's not easy staying at home for 2 weeks. Oh my darling, I still have 2 months more before I resume work. It's not okay. That's why. That is very stressful. It's not good. I don't like it at all. Don't worry, I'll come and see you soon. Very soon. Maybe this weekend I'll come see you. What's that? Please, I'm going to call you back. Don't again. This is Hey! Cheta, what is this? Auntie, I'm sorry. You're sorry? What is your sorry? You're barely 2 weeks in my house and this is happening. Are you here to destroy my properties?
It was a mistake, man. It was a mistake.
A mistake? What am I going to tell my husband? What do I say to him that happened? I don't get it.
I'm sorry, man. I'll back it up immediately.
You better listen to me. I beg you with everything you both say to each other. You had better clean up this mess. Do you understand me? Clean up this mess.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
yes, ma'am.
You better do it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Rubbish.
Sorry, ma'am.
The MOU is not here yet.
Yeah, I'm yet to type it, sir.
Yet to type it? I need the MOU ready before the end of today. Alright? Darling, can I call you back in Kansas right now? What? What's happening to me? Can you calm down and talk to me, please? What's going on? Alright, I'm coming home now. Okay.
Sir, is everything okay?
Everything is fine. Make sure the MOU is ready and send it to my WhatsApp. Okay? Thank you very much. Babe?
Yes.
Oh my God. What's going on?
I don't know why I didn't do anything to her.
What did you do to her?
I did not do anything to her, baby.
What did you do? She's dead!
I don't know why I didn't do anything to her. I just saw her like this.
You should cry and tell me what she's doing.
Okay.
Babe, can you stop crying and tell me exactly what happened here?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You will not have this house, so you know exactly what happened to her.
You're trying to say that I killed her.
I'm not saying that, but you're supposed to know exactly what happened.
I don't know. I swear I don't know.
Is this what you're going to tell her mother? So this is the story you plan to tell her mother, yeah?
I don't know, but I don't know
Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Please, I don't. I'm going to explain it to you that I don't know how to convince him now. Chika, please, I'm begging you. God, please just wake up. Chika.
I need you to tell me the truth. Did anyone come to this compound today?
No, nobody. Now here, now this is my city. Now here I sit down since morning. Nobody enter here. Nobody.
Are you sure no one came to this compound today?
Sir, I swear with my father's grave, nobody enter. No, it's not possible. Nobody enter. No, nobody enter. Seriously. No, only Madam and then Madam's small sister. They for house since before you go enter. Nobody don't enter here. Now just me, Madam, and then Madam. Finish. Nobody.
It's obvious that someone is lying to me.
No problem. Sir? Sir? Oga?
Mirabelle, are you going to tell me the truth about what happened here today?
I don't know what happened.
You don't know what happened? What do you mean you don't know what happened?
Babe.
Don't bait me! What in God's name happened here? You're going to tell me the truth now, else I'm called cops.
I don't know. What truth do you want me to tell you? What other truth do you want me to tell you?
Are you asking me that question? Tell me the truth, Mirabelle. Tell me now.
I don't know. I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Mirabelle.
Yes.
Tell me exactly what happened here. How did this happen?
I don't know. Okay, if you disbelieve me, you can go ahead and call the police. What happened here? I've said it.
Mr. Charles? Don't open the door, no matter what happens.
Oh.
Vince.
Good sir.
Yeah.
Hi. What is wrong? I've been knocking about 30 minutes now. Is everything alright?
Oh yes, everything is fine. My wife and I were in the shower together, so we're getting ready to go out.
It's alright. Your wife called me that I should come and check your TV. So let's quickly go in so I can check what the fault is.
Oh no. Let's do that some other time. Yes, some other time. Why?
Your wife said she has a program to watch by 2 p.m.
Yes, we're actually going out together, that's why. Yeah? So maybe some other time you just come and
But I can quickly just check it and see what the fault is.
Vincent, it's my TV, right? I can decide to buy another one tomorrow. Okay, just go back. So, tomorrow I'll call you, come back and check this thing, okay?
Alright, I'm sorry. Alright. Call me tomorrow once you're ready.
I'll call you. Alright. Take care. Bye, Vincent.
Bye. What are you doing here? Why are you not Auntie Mirabel's house?
I told you I didn't want to go there. But you forced me to. Now look at me.
What happened?
Don't ask me. Because I'm angry with you. You caused it!
Zeta? How? You have to go back. She promised to take care of you and to enroll you in school. Please go back.
Seems my grandmother doesn't want me around her. But Mama, I promise you one thing, that you will not see me again.
Cheta!
Cheta, come back here! Cheta!
My daughter, I hope all is well with you. But I am confident that Mirabel will take good care of you. I am confident that Mirabel will take good care of you.
Mama,
I'll call her in the afternoon to know how my daughter is.
I'm here.
And I can't wait to see my daughter fulfill her dream as a medical doctor.
Mama, my dreams has been shattered. She killed me. Mama, she killed me.
I am sure we're going to make your mother proud. I'm sure.
Mama.
Mirabel, I'm yet to understand what's going on here. How do I tell the police that the girl you brought from the village, you know nothing about her death?
Baby, please. We don't need to tell the police. They won't believe me. I'm telling you, they will not believe me.
So how do we go about it? Because we cannot continue to have the cops in the house. Besides, we need to tell her mother what happened to her.
No, please, I'm begging you, don't tell the mother. You don't need to tell the mother. We can just,
Alright?
try to find a way, know what happened to her.
So how are we supposed to do that?
No.
No, tell me how we're supposed to do that. Because the gate man just confirmed that nobody else entered this compound.
Hey! I'm finished. I'm finished.
Mirabel, crying will not solve anything. Crying right now will not solve anything. Okay? Did you have a quarrel with this girl?
know.
Then what happened to her?
I don't know. I ain't said that we're good.
Then what happened?
I don't know.
You know we're here in this house. What happened? The earlier you say the truth right now, the better for us.
Maybe they...
Because we need to get this body out of this house before it starts decomposing.
I know, but there is no truth. I've told you what I know. The truth is that I did not have any issues with her. You need to release me, please.
I'm losing my head right now.
Me too, I'm losing my head. Please, baby, please. I'm begging you, please. Please just help me. I don't know what to do.
What is all this now? What is all this? I don't have more. She's not picking her calls. I've been caught that she's not picking. I have this feeling that all is not well. It's like I'll go and say Eliza.
Odiak!
I'll get it. Why are you screaming my name now? What is it? Guy for?
Odiak, did you cultivate on that piece of land at Tormented?
Now, what about it?
What about it?
Yes.
You're asking me. Odiak, how many times will I want not to step your foot on that land?
That land belongs to my late husband.
Your late husband, who was my brother, that land never belonged to him.
It's the one way.
You never owned the land.
It's the one way, Oji. Lie! I say more.
Odiak, let me not see you on that land anymore. Do not go there again.
You cannot do anything anyone won't bag it.
Hey! Osi? Odiak, you see? Nanyuan or bam. Okay, go there again and see what I can do to you. Go there again and see what I will do.
You cannot do anything. On what if he get me? On what if he get me?
Odiak, you are telling me on what he get me?
Yes.
Okay, go there.
To your face.
Go there and see he get me. How do you go there?
Try me. Oji, try me. Can't go to the Bulariako. Try me.
Hey! Oji, try me and see me.
Try me too.
Try me and see me. Okay, go there.
No problem. If I call the okay, man. Now call the job model. When sword no nonsense. Try you. What will you do? What will you do, Oji? What can you nail say? How come now? I'm not going to
You'll be merry, baby. You better be oh. Hi. Everybody don't take. You'll be merry, baby. Man, I tell them, I go enter musician. When I enter musician, I go do well. You'll be merry, baby.
Oh, sorry, madam, no vessel. Reverse. Madam, this one where your face stay like this. Person died.
Nobody died.
Oh, sorry. Make you no verse say that because of your face, now make me talk. Me no verse for this nonsense why they do. You don't say well, anytime where they happy. That's why I'm gonna misbehave.
Sela, I need you to tell me the truth. Did anybody come into this compound today, this morning, this afternoon? Did anybody come here?
No. See, Oga don't ask me this thing before. This is the way they ask me now. Oga don't ask me before. Wait, anything happen?
Silas, are you sure?
I'm sure. Nobody, they never born that person. Nobody feel enter this compound. Why they me? Well, you know the possible. When the person go enter here, no go there with me. See, make I tell you, madam, na hereditary. My papa na security. If I born today, my picking go continue. Na hereditary. Nobody feel enter here, no. And that person the one. What is it? Don't stand up. Madam, tell me who will you do your person enter here? Huh? Who do? Oga don't first ask me this thing. The same thing when madam go ask me. Something did wrong for this house. Me, as the chief security officer of this compound, I must find out what they have. Me, for this compound, they never born that thing. Forgot to go ask me. I don't know the mother because she asked that. They never born that person. You that thing. What you that thing? It's not possible.
Elisa, if that man Roger, he thinks he can intimidate me. He cannot intimidate me. He wants to take away that piece of land from me. Okay? Man walk. It is not possible.
You see that man? When you're going to next year in this village, please be very, very careful with him. Be very careful, Makam Doge. You know he's an evil man.
If he tries me, if he tries me, my God will strike him down.
Hey.
In fact, that is not why I came here. Because were you able to speak to your daughter Mirabel?
Yes, we talked, we spoke. I equally spoke with your granddaughter. Is anything the matter?
Yes, so I've been calling them since afternoon and she's not picking her calls. I want to know what the matter is, so I decided to come to you.
Maybe you called at the wrong time. At the wrong time. Maybe she's not close to her phone there.
So, Badro, please call her for me. Call her with your phone. Let me
Mama, they wait one day my picking go
return. Oh, why is my mom calling me now, We spoke earlier this morning now.
Mama, they thinking my
let's call her when she's close to her phone. She's less busy.
Mama, no. Oh, this is sad.
I'm not picking this call. I won't. Where are you? Where? Mommy, what nonsense is this now? Stop! I'm not picking your call, please. Just stop already, please. Just stop! Oh, God, please. You come back home. Please come back.
What is your face?
Where did you keep my body? Auntie! What's happening? Where did you keep my body? Say something! It's back. Honey, what happened?
What do you expect? I deposited a body at the mortuary.
What? How dare you? How dare you take my body to that smelling place? Thank you.
Oh, don't thank me yet. You should start thinking of a better explanation to give to her mother when she comes asking for her child.
Auntie, tell him to take my brother out of that place. I'm afraid. What do I tell the old woman when she comes asking for her daughter? Because I did not do anything to her.
If you did not kill her, then who did? A question you've not answered me yet.
Auntie, tell him to take my brother out of that place. Auntie! Auntie, say something! Auntie! God, I don't understand this. It's high time you come to my aid. Please. Because this...
Hi. She's not picking up.
Are you sure all is well?
Yeah, all is well. I'm sure of that.
So why is she not picking her calls now?
Like I said before, maybe she's not close to her phone. But don't worry, she will return my calls.
Hey, so Badra, please call her husband. I am worried.
Oriako, there is nothing to be worried about.
Okay, no problem. Let me see how long I can wait. Let me see how long I can wait. I'm bothered.
There is nothing to be worried about. Once she sees my calls, she will return the call. Yes. She will call back. I know my daughter. She will call back.
I want to drink
I have water.
Mama, she killed me. Mama, I'm here. I'm here. Mama, please hear me. Mama.
Yeah. Fighting your face. That's why I don't know why you are worried so much like this. Because drink.
I chose me when I don't have appetite for it. I want to get a bad voice. I want to see my daughter. I'm worried. I'm worried.
I'm right here. I'm here. Mama, can't you see me? Mama, I'm here.
Oriako, please calm down. I don't know what else to say. Don't worry. When she returns, she will call me back. Oh?
I need to see my daughter. I need to see my daughter.
Yeah.
I'm worried.
Yeah, I'm talking to you right now. Mama, please hear me.
Mama, they wait till one day my picking go return. But she never knows. Nigeria will live Mama, they think. Nigeria will live Mama, they think he might begin no don't go school. But she no say.
I'm talking to you, Miracle. And crying is not the answer I seek. I see you've hardened your heart. It's high time I call the cops.
No, baby, please. Baby, please don't call the police. Don't take me.
Did you do it or not?
I didn't. I did not. I did not kill her.
What happened?
I don't know.
Tell me. What happened?
I don't know. I'm telling you the truth. I don't know.
How do I explain the death of an innocent child in my house?
Baby, you have to believe me. I did not kill her. It wasn't me. I don't know what happened. I don't know.
Oh my God. How did I get in this mess? Oh my God.
But she never knows.
I can't continue to have that corpse in there. I'll have to call the police right away.
No, baby, please don't call them. Don't. Let's just, try and find them. Don't call them, please.
And why didn't you want me to call them?
Because they will jail me. They'll put me in jail. Let's just, take her body and put in the mortuary. Let it just be cooling off there. I'm sorry, no.
You're out of your senses. You want us to put the body in the mortuary without telling her mother? What do we tell her when she gets here?
I don't know. I'm confused. I'm confused. Oh yeah, I did not kill her. You have to believe me, baby, please.
You're driving me insane.
I'm sorry.
You're driving me insane. What's all this? What?
I didn't mean to, baby. Baby, I'm begging you, just let's go through this together, please. Please, Jetta, don't kill me. Jetta, I'm sorry. Jetta, don't kill me, please. Jetta, please. I will kill you today. No. Jetta, please. Jetta, please don't do that. Jetta, please, I'm begging you, please. Jetta, please. Jetta, please don't kill me. What time did you, Jetta?
What guy with the cutlass? Chideke, my cutlass. Come put it down in the mud. You don't fear.
Are you alright? Hmm? What is it?
I had a dream. She was chasing me with a cutlass.
Cheta?
Yes. She was chasing me. She was trying to kill me and I did not kill her.
You keep saying this and yet you're seeing her in your dreams. She's tormenting you. Yes.
Did I just say she was tormenting me?
That's what you just said. She was chasing you with a cutlass.
Please.
And now you've made me an accomplice. Listen, you better start planning on what to tell her mother before she gets to find out that her daughter is no more. We're running out of time.
Really?
Yes.
I've not been myself. I didn't sleep last night. Were you able to talk to your daughter?
Of course, we spoke last night.
Yes. Were you able to speak with my own daughter?
Actually, not really. But I asked after her, and my daughter said she's okay. In fact, she has started school. When I was in her school.
You mean my daughter now lives in the school?
Of course. According to my Mirabelle, to enable her, catch up, and not drop out. To enable her catch up multi-forces.
Mama, it's a lie. Mama was never enrolled in a school. She killed me. She took away my body.
She now stays in the school. Because tell her that when she visits her, that I want to speak with my daughter. I don't know what is happening. I want to speak with my daughter.
Mama, why can't you hear me? Mama, please hear me for once.
I will do that. I will tell her.
I'll be going, but please tell her I am bothered. I'll be at the mom. I'm not happy. I need to speak with her. I don't know.
Stop disturbing yourself now.
But you caused it. You caused it. Because of you, she killed me.
Why is she this bothered? Why is she worried about her grandchild? Here, oh.
What's going on? Those files were on the desk yesterday before I left work. And now it's not here. Come to my office now. Now.
I'm here, sir.
Did you remove any file from my desk yesterday?
No, sir.
Did anyone enter my office when I was gone?
No, I looked everywhere before I left.
Alright, please leave. What's going on? I was given till the end of today to submit those files. God. I'm looking for a file. Did you see me come home with any file yesterday?
I can't remember.
What do you mean you can't remember? You saw me come home yesterday. Did you see me with any file or not?
Why are you shouting? Why? Why are you shouting at me now? I did not see you with any file.
That's what you're supposed to say. Not you don't remember. Meanwhile, I'm looking for a file that contains some very important document. Just in case you see them. If I don't find that file, I'll lose my job.
I don't understand this. Ever since Cheta's death, he's just been hostile towards me. Eh? He still thinks I'm responsible for her death. I don't know. Oh, this is my mother. I just hope Cheta's mother is not with her. Hello, Mama. Good afternoon, Ma.
Good afternoon, Mom. How are you?
We're fine. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Just that Oriaku was here. She's worried about her daughter. She was here again.
Mama, why is she bothering herself? Cheta is fine. She's doing okay.
I am not doubting you. Inugo, please, can you do me a favor? Hello, are you there? Are you still there? Mom, please, call Oriaku. Tell her that her daughter is okay. Talk to her. She wants to hear from her granddaughter, Biko.
Okay, I will do just that. I will. I'll call her.
Please do that so that her mind will relax. Oh, Daloso, thank you very much.
Okay, Mama. Bye. There is no doubt that Cheta's grandma is now having feelings that something has happened to Cheta. Well, I'm just going to keep my cool and pretend that everything is okay. That's what I will do.
Why are you doing this to my grandmother? Is it because nobody can hear me? I wish I would have... Okay.
Pick up. Axel.
Is it because nobody can hear me? I wish I could just tell her the truth.
I don't get it. I can't even keep this secret forever. I'm so confused.
Yes, just tell her the truth. Just tell her the truth and everything will be okay.
Hey, no. This is Cheta's grandma. What am I going to do now?
Just tell her the truth. Okay? Just tell her.
Hello, Mama. Good afternoon, Ma.
Yes.
We're fine, thank you. How are you? Yes, she does. She's fine. She's good.
You liar! I just feel like strangling you. I just feel like strangling you.
Okay, Mama, that won't be a problem. Once I get to her school, I'll call you so you talk. You take care. Bye.
Ooh. I hate you. You're wicked. I hate you.
At least I'm a bit relieved.
Mama, she's lying to you. I'm not fine. Mama, please just hear me.
Can't wait to hear my daughter's voice.
Mama, why can't you hear me? Mama, please, Mama. Mama, please listen to me now.
Officer, this is the woman. Get her arrested.
Woman, you are under arrest.
For trespassing.
You have every right to remain silent, cause anything you do or say here will be used against you in the law courts.
Yes. Oji, what have I done?
No.
Get arrested! Stop wasting time, officer. Take her to the station.
When you get to the station, you made that statement.
Yes, station.
Don't touch my mother!
I'll see you move it.
What have I done?
Madam, I don't want to use force on you. Move it.
The officer said you should follow her to the station. She said move it. Move it. I went to arrest Oriak over that piece of land. All of a sudden, I started receiving force all over my body. Even the police woman I took their place, we ran away. I don't know that woman is that evil. That woman is so evil. Who is this?
What is it now?
Help me out! Who's talking me? Who's talking me?
What is it? Papa! 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 Papa!
Yes, come in.
So, the general manager wants to see you in his office.
Alright, tell him. I'll be with him shortly. Alright. Heaven is about to break loose. How do I tell him about the missing document? Yes, come in.
Hi.
And what in God's name are you doing here?
Hey, chill, boy. Relax. Why are you talking to me like that?
I'm not in the mood for that nonsense. How many times have I warned you to stop showing your face in this office? What are you doing here?
Calm down, Charles. I'm still your sweetheart.
Don't tell me that rubbish. Get out of this office now. Get out!
Hey, chill. Have you told her grandmother? Oh, I see.
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about. So you and your wife is still keeping that girl in the mortuary. Because the look on your face says it all. Ah.
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about. Get out of my office now!
Well, I'll leave. But I have a proposal for you when next I'll visit. Have a great day, Charles. See ya.
And how did she get hold of that information? Come in! Oh, God! Yes?
The general manager has been waiting.
I'm coming!
Okay.
God. Sir, I'm here.
Why have you not sent the document you were told to send to our clients, the MOUs?
I was about to send it yesterday, sir, but...
But what, Charles? What? That office is for people who are on their feet to work
People that are out to lazy around. Do you know the damages you've caused this company for your incompetence?
I'm so sorry about that, sir.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. This is an office. You run your office. Be diligent about it. That's nothing like sorry. You have just 2 hours to forward those documents to them. Or be sure to say bye to your job.
Sir, please.
Get out of my office. Get out!
All right, sir. Is this not the father I'm looking for? What's going on? Huh? Whosoever brought this file here is in possession of the documents inside of it. Who's doing this to me? Who's playing this ugly game to me?
You will not see that file unless you tell my grandmother where you kept my body.
No. I cannot afford to lose my job. I must find those files. I must find this document. I must find it. Who's doing this?
You will not only lose your job, but you will lose everything you care about.
Hey, honey. Food is ready.
Did you by chance see the money I kept in the drawer? 300,000.
No, the money was there this morning.
Someone must have taken it.
Who? It's just you and I in this house.
I've ransacked everywhere in this house. I can't find it.
I saw it this morning and I did not take it.
It's just me and you in this house. Who else? Huh?
Are you by any means saying that I stole your money?
Listen, I want that money back after breakfast. All of it. Excuse me.
I don't understand this. What sort of nonsense is this?